Today I am making a traditional cow feeder using biscuit carton. Can waste cardboard into something useful for village farming? Let's find out. This is completely handmade and eco-friendly. First I cut the biscuit carton into equal pieces. Now I use a glue gun to attach support stick. This will make the feeder strong and stable. Next I start evening the cardboard tips one by one. This evening technique gives it a traditional village look. Slowly the cow feeder base is taking shape. I reference the side to make it durable. Now I finish the engage and smooth everything properly. Now it's time to add color to the cow feeder. I start with a base layer using natural color. This handmade feeder is ready. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel.